Friends, the Financial Intelligence Unit India has imposed a rupees 96 lakh penalty on American online payment gateway giant PayPal for alleged contravention of the anti-money laundering laws in India. It has accused PayPal of concealing suspect financial transactions and abetting disintegration of India's financial system. PayPal is an American company operating an online payment system in almost 200 countries all over the world. It supports online payment transfers, online money transfers, and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders. PayPal started its Indian operations in 2017. The FIU, that is the Financial Intelligence Unit, has also charged the company with defeating and frustrating the tenets of public interest and the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. PMLA 2002 is the act which aims to keep the country's financial system safe from economic crimes, terrorist financing, and black money transactions. And as per the PMLA, FIUIND, that is Financial Intelligence Unit India, is the agency which monitors compliance of PML guidelines by financial institutions in the country. In the order issued by FIUIND on December 17, it is holding the company guilty on three broad counts. The fundamental being its failure to register itself as a reporting entity with Financial Intelligence Unit as mandated under PML Act. The term regulated entity refers to all the financial institutions in the country such as banks, NBFCs, payment system providers, prepaid instrument issuers, who are governed by the provisions of PML Act for compliance and reporting. In the order issued on levying 96 lakh rupees penalty on the PayPal Payments Private Limited, FIU said that there was ample evidence of the willful violation of the law and therefore PayPal cannot be let off with a minor penalty. The order issued by FIU directs the company to pay the fine within 45 days. It has also directed the company to register itself as a reporting entity with the FIU, appoint a principal officer and director for communication within a fortnight of the receipt of the order. PayPal can appeal against the order before the appellate tribunal of the PMLA within 45 days. You must be aware that Reserve Bank of India and FIU have in the past also imposed penalties on banks and financial institutions for violation of guidelines under PML rules. But this is the first time FIU, which is an agency under the Union Finance Ministry, has undertaken punitive action against an online payment system operating in the country. Actually, the legal tussle between the FIU and PayPal had begun in March 2018 after FIU had asked the company to register as a reporting entity for keeping record of all transactions, reporting suspicious transactions and cross-border wire transfers to the FIU and for identifying beneficiaries of these funds. The FIU will analyze such information obtained from the REs and shares these reports with the various intelligence and investigative agencies for further action. But PayPal refused the FIU's directive and hence a show cause notice was issued to in September last year. PayPal defended its action claiming that it only operates as an online payment gateway service provider or OPGSP or a payment intermediary in India and is not covered within the definition of a payment system operator or financial institution and in turn is not covered under the definition of a reporting entity under the PML Act. Therefore, at this time, payment intermediaries such as PayPal are not required to register as such with the FIU India, it said in its reply to the agency. PayPal also stated that it has submitted to the RBI its decision to cease domestic payment aggregator business in India before June next year. But the FIU rejected PayPal's claims and said PayPal was very much involved in handling of funds in India and it's a financial institution and hence qualifies to be a reporting entity under the PML Act. The business model offered by PayPal clearly indicated that it not only acts as an intermediary but actively undertakes money transfer operations. PayPal undertakes to settle an online transaction by moving money from the customer's account, that is the issuing bank, to the merchant account, which ultimately transmits funds to the merchant bank's account, that is the acquiring bank, when the transaction is finalized, the order from FIU pointed out. Also, by virtue of enabling payment system for its users by way of credit card, debit card, money transfer operations, PayPal is functioning as a payment system operator and is therefore deemed to be a reporting entity as per FIU India. The order from FIU also pointed out that while the company is defying the rules in India, its parent company in the US, that is PayPal Inc., reports suspicious transactions to the American FIU and also to similar agencies in Australia and the UK. But in India, they are refusing to comply with the PML rules. Sharing of suspicious transaction reports by PayPal was crucial in enabling FIU to share such information with Indian law enforcement agencies, and by refusing to register, it was not only concealing suspect financial transactions, but is also abetting in the disintegration of India's financial system and posing enhanced risk to the financial system of India, the order said. It also noted that if PayPal's contention was accepted, the objective of the anti-money laundering law would be rendered redundant, and other such entities will find some reason to technically escape being categorized as a reporting entity and frustrate the very purpose and objective of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So, this is the reason why the Financial Intelligence Unit India has imposed such a huge fine on the American online payment gateway company. Thank you.